Rafael Palmeiro, left field, the Chicago Cubs. This year, he's blossomed into one of the league's best hitters, and his defensive play is sparkling.
Hello, Toby. I want to play a game. I've administered you with a small dosage of a highly contagious viral infection to test the robustness of humankind. It's called Slovid-18. I'm going to give you a choice. You can go to the hospital to receive medical attention, risking infecting even more people. Or you can suffer in isolation for 2 weeks, surviving off 3 eggs, this can of beans, and 1 toilet roll. The clock is ticking, Toby. Make your choice. Oh, that's just rude. They have absolutely no chance of survival.